All you need to do to make a positive change in your life is to change your mindset and do the work. My 30-day fit plan is a quick and effective crash course to build a perfect physique. It's the culmination of a lifetime's worth of training knowledge. I've done the work, now you get the gains. This is a full gym-based plan that's going to have you in the gym 6 days a week. Hypertrophy training patterns to ensure you get the most out of your workout, and you'll never get bored in the gym. Follow this plan, work hard at it, and I know you're going to meet your goals. I'm Seid, and this is my fit plan. Champion is not someone who never fails, but someone who never quits. One of the biggest characteristics of a champion, never give up. I am Seid. I am Team My Protein.